Hi my friends, welcome back to Bay's Kitchen. Today we are making cola chicken wings. Let's get started. First, wash the chicken wing. Remove any leftover feathers. Cut 2 shallow slits on the side of each wing. This helps the flavor go in. Slice 4 pieces of ginger. Add 2 slices and the chicken wings to cold water. Bring to a boil on high heat. Boil for 1 more minute, then take the wings out. Heat a pan with no oil. Add the chicken wings. Cook until the moisture cooks off. When the skin turns slightly golden, add 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Stir fast to color the wings. No oil and high heat here, so keep flipping to prevent sticking. Add 2 tablespoons light soy sauce. Pour in cola until it just covers the wings. Stir well. Bring to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat to medium. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. When the sauce is reduced by half, remove the lid and turn the heat up. Shake the pan occasionally. Reduce the sauce until thick and glossy. Plate it up. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds. And it's time to eat. Thanks for cooking with me today. See you next time in Bay's Kitchen.